Hey, what's up? This is Shetty here. So, AI is going to take over the world in the future. So, this is what they say. This is what I've been reading in a lot of articles. I don't know if it is true or not, but if you are someone like me who have been watching a lot of superhero stuff and movies like Terminator, then you also probably believe that someday AI is going to be the one who will be ruling. Maybe not soon, but it's a far, far away future. Anyways, that is for another day. Now, as far as designing is concerned, AIs are also doing a great job. There are multiple softwares out there which can help you with AI art. So, in this video, you're going to learn about two free resources that are available on the internet, which you can use for AI art. All right, we'll talk about that. And if you've not done it already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button as well. And here are the two tools that I personally use to create AI art. Alright, here we are. So there are a lot of tools out there which can create amazing AI art. So if you're somebody who creates artwork for digital artwork, which you upload in your Instagram or on your Facebook page, then this is a good tool to use for generating AI art. Okay, this is one of them. The other tool is Canva. Now here, let me open a design dashboard, some random design dashboard. Let me open. We'll go 1920 into 1080 just so that there is more space. Okay. Alright, so these two are open. Now both of these are capable of creating beautiful AI art. Okay, so we'll start with this. Let's say we were just talking about AI, right? So let's try this out. Okay, I have not done this before. This keyword, alright, I have experimented with multiple other keywords, but not this one. Let's try this out. AI taking over the world in future. All right. What I've realized here in Dezgo.com. This is the website. Okay, it's Dezgo.com. I'll leave the link in the description as well. Now this one, in this particular site, there is image to image upscale and text to image. This is what I usually use, text to image. And here you just need to type keywords like these. Maybe a sentence or maybe 2 to 3 keywords, and then you need to click on generate. Okay, and these are the different AIs that are available. There is Stable Fusion 1.4, 1.5, 2.1. These are the different versions of AIs which are available for you to create. This creates an image. So we can choose. I usually use 1.5. If I want something very cartoonish, then I'll use this. And if I want something in 3D, I also do this sometimes. In 3D, I sometimes type that as well. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll try both of these options. First we'll do this, AI taking over the world in future. Let's click on generate, and the same keyword I will also try that in Canva. Okay, and see what Canva comes up with. So this is the output it generated. Let's see, future in 3D. Let's see what this comes up with. Okay, while it's generating that, we'll go over here and try the same thing over here. Just in Canva, all you have to do is go to apps, and under apps there is text to image. Open that, use. Now this one has multiple options. There is concept art that you can choose. There is painting, there is photo, drawing, and there is 3D. So we'll do 3D and look for AI taking over the world in future and generate image. So this will generate about 4 different images and you can choose what you like. While this one is getting generated, let's go back to Dezgo and see what this has come up with. See, what I've realized with Dezgo is it's a little slow, maybe because it gets queued or something. The first image that I create generally pops up really fast, and after that it shows that it's queued and it takes some time to generate the next image. Sometimes it takes as long as 3 to 4 minutes, but Canva does it pretty quickly. So if you see here, it's come up with 4 different artworks. This is one. I have no idea what it means. Okay, it's just AI is artwork for this sentence. There's another one. Here is another one. This one is cool, right? All right. So this is what it came up with. Let's use something even more specific. We'll look at Elven Princess Portrait. Elven will do Warrior Princess. How's that? Warrior Princess. Okay, we'll do start again and do that. And we'll look for 3D again and see what it comes up with. Let it generate. So this is what it came up with for AI taking over the world in future in 3D. Okay, not that I am not so impressed with it, to be honest. It's showing some crazy grid art. Let's try this one. Elven Warrior Princess in forest. We'll do forest. Let's see. There you are. Beautiful, right? This one is actually good. And if you notice, most of the times when AI creates these kind of images, if you look at the face, it will be something like this. It's not very clear, to be honest. Sometimes it comes up with beautiful faces. Sometimes it does not. It's not so. It's AI generated, right? It's not like created. Okay, it's not showing the face. Let me do this. Elven Lizard Queen. How's that? Let's try this one. Oops, I hope it shows up in 3D. Anyway, I didn't select anything in particular. This is still trying to generate. It's coming up with some crazy stuff over here. This looks very crazy. Here's another one. Here is another one. Cool, right? Let's also look for Viking Chief of the Future Portrait. Let's try this. Start again. This is still queued. It will take some time. This is pretty quick. It takes few minutes to generate some artwork and it will come up with something nice. So this was my keyword. I was looking for a portrait, Viking Chief of the Future Portrait. So check this out. Okay, this is neat. I like this one. Awesome, right? This is also good. Check this out. Even the face has come amazing in this. Very nice. Super. I think I'm going to use this somewhere. Looks good. Okay, finally it's come up with an image. Let's download this. So this is the image that that was generated. Elven warrior princess, I think. Looks good, but like I said, the face, it's not very clear, but it's okay. I'm pretty sure as we go, it will get better and better. But what Canva came up with is like simply amazing. It's stunning. These pictures are like really, really nice. And these are very unique. If you try creating, if you put the same keyword in text to image in Canva and search, you will not get these images again. This is going to be unique to me only, okay? And this will not be regenerated. You will find it will create something else, but the same images won't be generated again. This will be unique to me. Because of that, I'll be able to use these images in my own Instagram page or Facebook page or wherever I want, and I can copyright it. So if anyone in the world wants to use any of these images for themselves, I can license it and I can ask them to pay for it, right? So, and even NFT, if you are interested in creating graphic artwork for people who are into NFT, then AI art is great. Canva is easy, text to image, you can try Canva out. And this is also good, but the only problem is it takes a little bit of time to generate these images, okay? This is like really quick. And you can control the size, and you can create different design sizes. You can add text. You can make it look even better. You can edit it. You can make it like black and white, and a lot of things. There are a lot of filters over here. There are things you can do in Canva. Even add text to it, right? So something like, I can add this. Just call it some things like that. You can do things like that. So that's about it. So these are the two tools that you can use to generate AI art for yourself. You can create it and license it. You can create it to people. You can make AI art for people who are interested in NFT, or you can even have your own digital art Facebook page set up or an Instagram account set up where you can just keep adding your digital art through AI and even license it, through which you can add some additional income source for yourself. All right, so there are multiple things you can do. It's still improving. It is getting better and better. Canva gives you many more options as far as AI is concerned. You have more control on how your AI art has to be. It can be in 3D, it can be photo, it can be a concept art, it can also be a painting. All right, so try that out. And if you don't have Canva, it is for free. You can just sign up to Canva for free. Both these are free. I've left the link in the description. But if you want more features out of Canva, then I highly recommend you upgrade to Pro. It is very cheap, and it is like one trip to a coffee shop in a month, you can say. It's that cheap, okay? So try that out. And if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on videos like this in the future. I create videos around designing, marketing, and entrepreneurship. All right, so that's about it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.